Why do 80% of back pain sufferers find relief with the hip hinge? Let's dive in. The hip hinge is your secret weapon for a strong back. It's all about using your hips, not your spine, to bend and lift. Whether you're picking up groceries or working out, this move can save your back. So, how do you do it? Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Push your hips back, like you're closing a car door with your butt. Keep your back flat and chest up. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings? That's the magic. Avoid common mistakes like bending your knees too much or rounding your lower back. Keep those knees soft but not bent, and maintain that neutral spine. Imagine a broomstick running from your head to your hips. Ready to take it up a notch? Start with Romanian deadlifts, RDL for controlled strength. Progress to kettlebell swings for power, and try good mornings for flexibility. Modify these as needed to match your fitness level. Now go ahead and give the hip hinge a try. Your back will thank you. Hit save and share with friends who need that strong, pain-free back too.